Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the DeWalt tools, yellow tools only. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy similar tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Yeah, so I know I'm making this series of videos where I'm just shopping for just a certain brand. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys still want to see these or not. If you guys prefer to see just one whole video with all the brands, just a walkthrough throughout the store, or just a specific brand video. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got a 30 piece here. We've got some magnetic sleeves there, some nut drivers, a 2-inch bit, some 2-inch bits. I didn't see the price on that. And then we got this 16 piece for $29.98. This is a 16 piece metal and wood blade set. It's a little pricey, tell you guys the truth. And this is a power bank from DeWalt, $49.99. It's a 10,000 mAh. So $49.99. Again, it's a little pricey. It's DeWalt, so you know all the phone accessories from DeWalt is going to be pricey. And here's the big tool section from DeWalt. We got a sander there, as you guys see on the top, for $129. That's the box there of the sander. And then we got a jigsaw for $199. That's what it said on the bottom. And then we got a drill. It looks like a corded hammer drill for 99 bucks. And then we have that vacuum there. And then we have it looks like a hammer drill for $279. With the battery, 2 batteries, charger in a bag. And then we got an impact driver there for $129. It looks like a brushless impact driver. And then it looks like a hammer drill tool only, the 996 for $129. And then we got this looks like a heat gun for $99. Then we got the screw gun to the left, $219. So you guys see there. And then we got the fan for $99. And this fan is actually huge. It's pretty big. I don't know if you guys seen it live, but it's compared to that miter saw. But that miter saw is really nice too. It's a 7 1/4 miter saw. It's $279. I believe it's corded. Then we got your choice, $129. So you got impact driver or drill driver, $129 each. Got the titanium, $24.98. These are really nice. I do prefer the titanium over anything, any brand, but as long as it's titanium. And then you got that bit set, what does include a few bits there. You got the 26 piece for $19.98. Then again, that 16 reciprocating saw for $29.98. And then you got the looks like a hammer drill for $129, a brushless hammer drill. You got a 3-piece combo there with the oscillating, $249. Then you got a 6-piece combo kit, $449. You got a reciprocating saw, looks like a multi-blade, and you got a light reciprocate or a circular saw, impact driver, and drill driver. And then you got this impact driver for $129. I know I had to turn it around because I couldn't see what it is. And then we had this 82 piece for $29.98. It's a pretty big kit there. It does include 2-inch bits. And then we're here at the 12 volt section. This is $50. This is a 2 amp hour battery. If you guys don't know, they are running deals where you can buy a tool, a kit with the tool, 2 batteries and a charger in a bag for $99, and then you can get a free 5 amp hour battery. The only thing is that you have to find those 5 amp hour batteries are fairly new, as you guys see there, $99. Those batteries are fairly new, so they're really hard to find. And so as soon as you guys see them, make sure you guys pick up that deal. It's a killer smoking deal. Got high, low, medium, and on that those settings you got a fuel gauge on the back on that 2 amp hour battery, 12 volts, and that is a 3/8 impact wrench, brushless. You got the one-handed reciprocating saw for $139. I believe that's tool only. Then you got the old, the classic style drill driver for $99. And that's the new impact driver. Well, one of the new ones. Brushless. It is the same size. It looks like the same size as the impact wrench. So very similar. They just look exactly like it. Like each other. They're probably the same tool on the inside. They just changed the transmission part. Or the hammering part. So like I said. And then we have that for $99 also. So it does include 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag. And like I said, these extreme tools, if you buy one of those kits, you're going to get a 5 amp hour battery for free. You got impact driver, drill driver for $149. That's a really good deal there. So that's the impact driver there at the bottom for $149, which is on sale, I believe, for $99. Yep, it's the same one. It looks like it. You got a drill driver for $119. Looks like a hammer drill there. That's the old drill driver and old impact driver. You got a light there for $99. A job site looks like a few lights there, and then you got a radio here for $249. This is one of the better ones that they have. I believe this was a charger, so it does charge your batteries, and you can put your phone in there and hide it from the dust and the paint, whatever you're doing, working. Maybe the elements on the outside. Then 506, you got a 52 piece. It's not the one on the front, it's the one on the back. It was 1038. Yeah, this one's different. This one's a 30 piece. It's the one on the back there though. It does have some non-drivers, magnetic sleeve, so a 2-inch bit, and mostly 1-inch bits if you guys see there. Now we got this one, which didn't see any, but if you guys want to look at it at your store, you got a 35 piece flex torque set. 638 was $24.98 or $24.38, I believe. So make sure to check out that one. That's a killer deal if anybody got that. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.